Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the POS-X ION-PT2-1 US thermal receipt printer. This printer aims to be a reliable workhorse for businesses needing fast and efficient receipt printing. First impressions are solid. The unit comes in black and feels quite sturdy, weighing in at around 7 pounds. It's not featherlight, which suggests a decent build quality. The connectivity options are straightforward, offering both USB and serial interfaces. This is great because it provides flexibility for connecting to various point-of-sale systems. A USB cable is included, which is always a plus. No need to hunt around for one. The ION-PT2 utilizes thermal printing technology, which means no ink cartridges to worry about. This can save money and hassle in the long run. It prints in monochrome, which is standard for receipt printers, and the print quality seems sharp and clear in initial tests. One notable feature mentioned is the touchscreen capability. While I haven't had a chance to fully explore this yet, a touchscreen interface could simplify operation and configuration, especially for tasks like setting up logos or customizing receipt layouts. The fact that it's made in Slovakia is interesting. It doesn't necessarily speak to the quality, but it's good to know the origin of the product. POS-X is the brand, and they are known for their POS equipment. Overall, the POS-X ION-PT2-1 US appears to be a well-built and versatile thermal receipt printer. The USB and serial connectivity, along with the included USB cable, make it easy to integrate into existing systems. The thermal printing technology eliminates the need for ink, and the potential of the touchscreen interface is intriguing. We'll need to put it through more rigorous testing to see how it performs under pressure, but initial impressions are positive. Stay tuned for a follow-up video where we'll delve deeper into its features and performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.